Sailing is like a dance with the wind and the water, where you feel completely free. There's a profound sense of freedom as you sail. The wind guides your path, and there are no strict schedules or destinations. It's just you, the boat, and the vast expanse of the sea. Sailing isn't just about physical sensation, it's a mental escape. It allows you to disconnect from everyday worries and connect with nature's simplicity. As the day draws to a close, sailing back to the shore brings a sense of fulfillment. Memories of the day's adventures linger, a testament to the pure joy of sailing and embracing freedom. These are Hobie Cat Days.
Alright, let the travel out, get the tube out. Mate, that's what you call a save. Absolutely saved by the bell. Hold it, keep going. See if you can break a minute, Giddy.
Hi, I'm Luke from Hobie Cat Days, and welcome to our new channel, All Things Hobie Cat. As you can see, I'm on my virtual beach. Why am I on a virtual beach? Well, basically I live in Melbourne, Australia, and at the moment we are locked down in stage 4 due to COVID-19.
Now on the Hume, we have 1,739 kilometres to go.
I was intense, that was the biggest wave I've ever caught. I thought the boat was going to go and go.
I was fairly confident we cartwheeling that.
Everything is gonna be alright in the summertime. Baby, in the summertime. And even if I have to wait till next year, I don't care. All I know is that I'll meet you there in the summertime. Baby, in the summertime. Across the world.
at this opportunity first. Alright folks, it's blowing pretty much, like pretty bad out here. Aria can't get out why because she's pregnant, but we'll just do one quick lap. Thanks for tuning in, lots of new stuff coming to you soon.